Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanilla Arts. I'm Anna Vanilla, and on this channel I'm showing you absolutely everything that I've learned over the tens of years of my life experience, of anything about crafting that I've been doing over the years. I share with you from knotting to knitting, crocheting, from designing, from drawing, painting, everything, and I share with you. So I hope through my channel you can also discover something new and useful for yourself, and we can create and do things together with the help of my channel. In this video we are doing a hat. This hat is absolutely fantastic. I so much love this hat. It's thick, it's warm. It will be warm for spring and autumn, even for winters. I think it will keep you warm. The yarn is acrylic yarn with tiny little bit of metallic sparkle, and as you can see, the structure of this pattern looks complicated, yet if you do happen to make this pattern, it's so easy, like nothing else you've ever knitted in your life. And this is the back. The back is also simple, it's thick, even though I'm using needles number 5.5. 5.5 thickness of needles I've used for this hat that I'm doing. The pattern is simple, even for beginners. It's nothing complicated about. If you can knit pearls and front stitches, it's all you need to master this pattern. And as you can see, if you've got a lot of patience, you can do this pattern too, because it's knitting. To knit this pattern, it requires a lot of concentration and a lot of timing, and you can do it by watching TV easily, by listening to music, and it will still be fun to make this pattern. I can guarantee you this. And so the needles are 5.5. The yarn is acrylic yarn. I've got 76 loops, 76 stitches on my needles. So the pattern is very simple. So you do not need the first loop. You just take it and replace it onto this loop you put onto the right needle, and then you count one loop, so one front stitch, and then with the first right needle we grab the yarn from behind. We place this yarn around the loop, and then we pick up this loop that we took around the yarn, and then again we count one. We grab the yarn, we place it like so, we can hold it with a finger, and then we just put the yarn, put the loop onto the needle. You don't need to knit it, you just grab the yarn and then you just put the loop. Grab the yarn and then the loop you put on the needle. You grab the yarn like so, and this, and you create about 2 stitches. From one stitch you create 2. As you can see, it's like so. So we grab the yarn, then we take the stitch and put it onto the right needle. yarn, stitch, grab the yarn, this was our first row. This is how it looks like on the front. As you can see, it's quite thick. The pattern makes like a carpety kind of structure, very thick, very warm. Possibly in winter it will be very warm. So the first loop we just do not knit, so we just place it on the right needle, and then we see about a section of 2 loops from 1 stitch here. As you can see, this is the second row. What we need to do is knit these 2 loops and create 1 loop with a purl stitch. Purl stitch from 2 loops, 2 loops, 1 purl stitch. Together we knit 2 loops into a purl stitch, 2 loops into a purl stitch. And this is how we knit the whole level, the whole row. So the first row it's simple and the second row simple. Now after the second row we knit the first row and then the second row and then again the first row and then again the second row, and so on. You will end up having this structure, this effect of the pattern for your hat, which I'm hoping that you're going to love to knit this pattern for your hat and prepare yourself for colder times ahead of time, for colder times, and you're going to be happy and proud to show everybody else that this is your own knitted hat. By the way, the patterns are absolutely unique on my channel. You can't find anywhere else, so please feel confident enough to know that you are original. If whatever pattern you do on my channel, you should know that everything is unique and purely belonging to my channel, and you can't find anywhere else. And I wish you good luck in this knitting hat. I'm going to knit about 20 to 23 centimeters, and then I do the crown off camera, and after that we meet up. As you can see, we finished the hat. We almost finished the hat. This is the back, which I stitched on the front, and I prepared a needle with the last thread from odds and ends, and I'm going to show you how I hide the last thread. So I follow the braiding like so, follow the braiding like so, and then I do a knot like this to secure it after wear and tear, and we hide some more. And then we cut off this thread, we put the needle to the side, and it's done. Hello everyone, again and again, and this is the finished project. This is a finished hat. Have a look how beautiful it looks. It's stretchy, it's wonderful, it's got like a structure of something beautiful. It's tactile, it's gentle yet strong. It's just, I don't know, it's just beautiful. I love this button so much. It's so simple yet so easy to do, and any beginner could do this hat. And this is the stitch at the back, which I've done a careful job. This is the crown. As you can see, I've done a careful job with front stitches here to close it into a couple of stitches eventually. And as you can see, is the size looks more or less suitable for any hat, for any head, and I think it's beautiful. I love it. I hope you love it too. I hope you love it enough to make this one as your hat. And you can do obviously of different colors. You can do different color pattern. You can do even multicolored with it. It will look fantastic. I bet it will. It will be looking fantastic in any color I can think about. Even a black color would look fantastic in it. I think so, yeah. So I hope you're going to do this hat and enjoy the process of it like I've enjoyed doing it, and we can create things and beautiful things together with the help of my channel, Anna Vanilla Arts. Let's see how it looks on our mannequin. Mannequin doesn't have any hair, obviously, but obviously we have hair. So imagine this to be on the hair, obviously, like so. This is beautiful. This is fantastic. You see how it looks like? It looks fantastic. It covers the forehead, lovely. The ears, it will keep the ears warm in winter. This is a stitch at the back which is barely visible. You just need to secure it slightly. This is the top bit, which I've done a little bit more because I like to in case I do a hair updo, something like that, to have space to carry it in the hat. And see how beautiful it is. It's fantastic. I love the sparkle in this yarn. I think it's lovely. It's simple yet easy to do. It takes a while to knit this pattern, I agree with it, but after all, it's a stunning result. Please subscribe to my channel and please leave likes, and let's do beautiful things together with the help of my videos, where we can create any crafts together. Please also leave comments about what else would you like me to do on my channel to make it more viewable for you and for other people. And let's create things together. Let's create and do beautiful things together. Bye. See you in the next channel, in the next video, sorry. Bye.